What up, young players? So, I have a lot of explaining to do. I haven't posted up a video in a really long time. And long story short, I haven't had a car. I had a car, I got crashed, they fixed it. I had a car for at least 2 months, and then something happened to the turbo, and basically I have no car again, and I've been working, and then I just, haven't picked up the camera at all. Just, I don't know, just haven't done it, haven't been motivated to do it. But today we are actually going to go biking downtown. So we're gonna go to the beach. Luckily my wife works like not that far from where we're gonna be heading at, and hopefully we get some pizza when we're out there, so it'll be good. This vlog is just gonna be about like going over there. We're gonna ride the bike to the train and then train to the beach. That's my wife. Honey, look over here. Say what's up to the vlog. What the? So just got here with the boys.
Y adivina dónde se mete lo de abajo.
Oh, papá,
Para agarrar un ángulo bien chido.
Así, güey. ¿Qué andas haciendo, José? Alright guys, so we're about to head out. We got some drinks prepared. So we're about to head out. So are we taking the train or what? Shit, I think we're taking the train. Oh! What's up, Rocks? What's up, Rocks? Alright guys, so we're about to dip. Got y'all on the flip side. We just made it to the beach. I am sweating, dude. We just rode like freaking easily 2 miles just to get here. This shit sucked. But the water's fucking cold. But we're about to get in, see what's up. So we just came to another spot and we're about to dip to another spot, and we're gonna eat some hot dogs and shit, I think.
Maybe. Yeah.
I'm the fattest one here, so I think we need to eat something, so we'll be alright. So I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. We just made it to the third spot.
Planetary. We gotta go to the fourth.
There's a fourth spot? God damn. Dude, my legs burn, bro. Holy shit. If you guys ever want to do legs, just bike for a long ass time. Ahora cojo las piernas. Las piernas, Kevin. Shoo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! But I'm fucking sweating. I'm sweating bad. So now we just gotta go to the fourth spot, and that would be it. I thought we were gonna eat hot dogs and shit, but my fat ass is thinking about food, and they don't even want to eat yet. On some bullshit. So just enjoying the view right now with the boys.
Yeah.
We're dipping already?
No, I'm moving this so I can sit.
Oh. Alright, catch you guys in the next one. So we made it to the fourth spot, and after this, I think we're gonna go get some food. My wife's at work right now, and I'm gonna call her up to pull up with the pizza, and after that, I guess.
One day. It's a good day.
And so we're just gonna go get some pizza after that, and I guess we're just gonna go home. It's hot. It is hot, man. Fucking burning. But hopefully you could hear me because of this water, but aquí vamos rumbo a las trocas porque no aguantamos el pedo. Al chile no aguantamos. Ah! So what up, guys? Just got home. Tired as fuck. Fucking legs, I cannot feel my legs whatsoever. So I'm gonna close out the video. Peace, I gotta work in the morning. Alright, peace. See you guys in the next one.